Hello everyone. So as far as we know that there has been a ceasefire announced between India and Pakistan on the borders. Now both the nations have to stop their bombings and to halt all of the military operations on each other's territories. And India's Operation Sindoor is also stopped very abruptly, I can say. Now, I would like to mention some of the points in favor as well as against of the ceasefire. So, I'm starting with the positive aspect. So, the very first one point is like there is always been an angle of USA and China trade war, which was continuously pushing Pakistan to indulge in a small conflict with India. That's why they are giving some provocative statements against India and Indian army and continuous firing at LOC. So if this ceasefire is happened now, so it is a really very good news for India as we can focus on our economy now. The second favored point in the ceasefire is it is very beneficial for the people who are residing in the areas near LOC, especially the people from Rajasthan, from Punjab, and of course the JNK, and also for our soldiers who are fighting for us on the borders. Their life is more precious than any war, I can say. Now, some of the points which are against in this ceasefire I must mention. So, the very first one is that the Pakistan is exposed in all over the world now, as we already seen that their air defense system was not working, and and also if they are launching any missiles or any drone attack on Indian side, our S-400 as well as Akash missile defense system was performing tremendously in intercepting them and destroying them in air itself. And the last point I would like to mention is that it is a time that we can launch a small operation on POK as well. Like, I'm not talking about the whole POK. I know it's a very big thing, but still we can take some of the part of our POK this time, as Pakistan is exposed in all over the world their military power as well as their air defense, missile defense systems. So this was a really very great opportunity for us, and I think we missed it. But still, we salute to our army as they performed very well. Because of them only we were sleeping very peacefully in our homes. So salute to them. And with this note, I would like to say that please share this video to all. Thank you.